Hello, in this video I want to show you how to factory restart your Xbox One S. So in order to do this, we'll need to open our settings, and from here we'll need to find our device information in the system. So there's a console info, click on it. From here you will see reset console, simply click on it. Now let's go for reset and remove everything. You can also do it by resetting your device itself with all of the settings and keep your games and apps. But I would recommend resetting it with everything, because that's not the hard reset or factory reset if you don't just refresh your device to the default settings. So click on the reset and remove everything. After that, your device will restart multiple times. You might want to wait for that process to happen. Also, if you have a problem with a screen as it's all times black, it might be a problem with your TV screen, so get on your TV pilot and just make sure that you have the same source for that is plugged into your Xbox. So now let's just wait and let me just get you through the beginning of the setup. Okay, so now I think it's time to actually move to our TV pilot and click on the source icon on our TV pilot. From here select the HDMI or any other source from which your Xbox is connected, click OK. And now you should see your console screen. So the console is still preparing, and make sure to not turn it off or just unplug the power, as it takes some time to actually restart this device. And here we have a setup, so if you have any trouble with it, be sure to follow our other video in which I explain on how to get through that setup very easy. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.